Welcome to my channel World Talks Food Walks. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken biryani the easiest way how it is done in hotel. Let's see the ingredient. We need 1 cup of onion, tomato 1.5 cup, a handful of mint leaves and little coriander leaf. 250 grams of chicken. I'm using 1 cup of rice here. This is the glass in which I am using to measure my rice. It's about 1 glass. So for each cup of rice, you will add double the quantity of water. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 spoon. Red chili powder 1.5 spoon. You can reduce the quantity if you don't like the spiciness. Coriander powder 1/4 teaspoon. Salt to taste. This is a special masala what we will be needing. Elaichi 6, cinnamon 1 small stick, cloves I'm taking 2 cloves. Since it's a powder, let me show you the quantity. Tiny bit of cinnamon, otherwise it becomes too spicy and you cannot eat it. Oil. So these are the garam masala. Curd 3 spoons and lemon. I'll just be using half spoon of lemon juice, and water, as I told, it's 1:2. So let's start preparing. So let me keep some hot water. So this is a measured water which I'm keeping it to get heated up. So I'm using oil here. As usual, in my spoon I'll be using about 2.5 spoon of oil. So we need this for frying all our ingredients. The best tip is to fry all your ingredients one by one. So do not add everything together, it will not taste good. So add all the ingredients one by one and then start frying. First I'm adding the garam masala to the oil. Let the flavors in the garam masala infuse with the oil. So first add the garam masala to the cold oil, then place it on a stove. In this way you will be able to get more flavors from the garam masala. And now I'm adding the onion. Let the onion get fried well. So let it turn to a light golden brown color. Till then you keep stirring and keep frying your onion. I'll show you how my onions turn into a golden brown color. Do not burn it, but just make it golden brown. Keep stirring once in a while. So let it cook and also turn it to a golden brown color. Now you can see a nice color. At this stage, add your tomato. It's just a secret tip. Add your ingredient one by one. Let it fry. Let it cook slowly. Let it get fried fully. Only then you will get all the flavors and your rice will have an awesome aroma and the fragrance will spread through your home. Once the tomatoes are fried, I'm adding the masala. 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Next I'll be adding the chili powder. It's 1.5 teaspoon. If you don't like the spiciness, you can reduce it accordingly. One time you can try this biryani and then you will know how to adjust your spiciness. So for now I'm just adding 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now I'm adding the grounded special secret masala here. So this gives the nice flavor which you get in the restaurants. I'm adding salt according to taste. Now I'm adding the ginger garlic paste so that it doesn't get burnt when you add it at the beginning. So now I'm adding the ginger garlic paste and giving it a nice stir. I could not show you adding up the mint leaves and the coriander leaf and the curd, so I missed to record that step for you. You can just see the green mint leaves which I have added here. So I'll just show you. So I added everything and let it simmer for a few seconds and let it cook well before adding my chicken here. Then I will add my chicken here Then I'm just giving a nice stir so that all the masalas get combined well with the chicken. And at this stage, I tell you, I'm really getting a very nice aroma. So try this at your home and let me know how easily you were able to make it and you relished it at least for a day. It is very delicate, it doesn't give you a lot of garam masala flavor and all that. So I'm added rice now. I'm just giving it a nice stir. Before adding water, you can just give a nice stir so that it infuses all the flavors. Just for 1 or 2 minutes, you can just give a nice stir before adding water. Now I'm adding the hot water. This is 2 glasses of water for 1 glass of rice. So once you add the water, this is the stage you give a nice stir and then taste the salt and the spiciness. If you want to adjust your salt, immediately adjust your salt level here and then place it on a low flame for the chicken biryani to get cooked. So this will definitely get cooked on a low flame and not on a high flame. So now I'm adding the lemon juice here. It's about half a spoon of lemon juice. So now everything is ready to be kept on a low flame. You can see me lighting the fire on the next stove, and I'm placing my pressure cooker on the next stove. I'm just covering the lid here. I'm placing a stone so that the steam doesn't get out, and cook on a low flame for 15 minutes. Now the chicken biryani is ready. Take a closer look. I'm sure you'll really enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.